Are we waking up yet, everybody? This is the real problem. Okay, this is the real problem that has been plaguing America and the world for centuries. Okay, this woman, Marissa Porter, is a good woman who saved somebody's life, and she has been fired. Okay, and hasn't found equal employment since. Okay, she has been fired for saving somebody's life. Okay, let's read the article. She saved a woman's life and got fired for it. In an explosive lawsuit that supports the adage that no good deed goes unpunished, Marissa Porter, 31, says she was axed by city-run Metropolitan Hospital after coming to the aid of a choking patient. She got fired for doing the right thing and saving someone's life, said her lawyer, Jeffrey E. Goldman. Porter, who told the Post, "I believe I did what was right," said the saga began on May 4th while she was working as a behavioral health associate at the East Harlem Hospital. One of her psychiatric patients began choking in a dining area while eating pancakes, so she followed protocol and immediately requested assistance from a nurse, because the hospital forbids non-medical workers from treating patients without at least a nurse present, according to Porter and court documents. What I'm about to further read in this article happens every day all over the world to good people, okay? So several nurses were sitting around, but none of them even budged. It says right here, several nurses were around their nearby station, but none of them budged, even as Porter frantically patted her 20-something-year-old patient on the back to try to get her to cough up her food, Porter says in the Manhattan civil suit. So after none of the nearby nurses did anything, Marissa Porter says right here, "I saw one nurse talking on the phone, staring directly at me as the situation was taking place. But this woman wasn't moving. She wasn't doing anything. She's on the phone watching somebody choke to death, but she's not moving." Okay, this is why America's turning into a third world country. This is why when you get sick, you don't want to go to Coney Island Hospital. You may get a staph infection at Coney Island Hospital or some other hospital in the city. Okay, you may get nurses that don't give a fuck. Okay, look it up, people. It's called death by 911 operator. The help and services aren't going to come. And if they do come, they're going to be delayed or they won't even care. You folks better believe it, okay? So Marissa Porter eventually saved the woman by initiating abdominal thrusts, the Heimlich maneuver, until the patient's airway was cleared. She says in her suit that she later documented the incident as required. Maybe she didn't have the bureaucratic requirements in order to save somebody's life. That's what the New World Order does. This is why people have to wake up. The modern system of the world that businesses and our jobs and our governments push on us is that you need proper credentials to save somebody's fucking life from choking without getting fired. Okay? This happens every day in America. Good people are treated wrongly and nobody cares. They would rather people die than good people go out of their way to save lives and do the right thing. Don't you people understand this? When are we going to rise up and stop this? Links below in the description. Take it easy.